How to make 1 billion shekels in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to make 1 billion shekels in Grow a Garden on Roblox, you need to focus on high value crops, game mechanics, and resource management. And here's how you can do that. First of all, use the sprinkler mutation strategy. Collect basic, advanced, godly, and master sprinklers, and then use the toggle to group high value plants, which are dragon fruit, coconuts, cactus in one area. Then place one of each sprinkler type in the center of this area. Wait for 1 to 2 hours for sprinklers to create valuable mutations like gold or rainbow. Also go for high tire pets. Silver monkey, which has 8% chance to refund fruit while selling. Praying mantis, which increases mutation chance. Giant ant, which has 10% chance to duplicate fruit while harvesting. And get these pets by hatching rare or mythical eggs. During the weather events like rainy weather, there is 50% chance of wet mutation, which increases the growth and value. If there are thunderstorms, crops can get wet and shocked mutations, which increases the worth. Also go for time planting and harvesting around these events. Look for garden layout and tools. Group similar crops for easy harvesting. Use the shovel to move plants and the watering can to speed up the growth, and use sprinklers to automate the watering. Also look for trading and community events. Trade crops and pets with other players and participate in the community events for rewards and profit. So that's it for the video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.